All they talking about is come and see me forwards, come and see me forwards, even though they're calling me.
Hey Inspo Squad, it's your girl T back in the cut. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this DIY laptop skin. So for the first step, you're going to take your laptop and place it on the paper side of the vinyl roll. You're then going to use a pencil or a pen to trace around it or just trace across it just to cut the vinyl paper. You're then going to peel back the vinyl roll and carefully press that onto the surface of the laptop. You can use some form of a card or bank card to get rid of all the bubbles. Slightly lift up your laptop screen and carefully press the vinyl roll against all the edges. This is very crucial as you will be using an X-Acto knife to cut the edges off. While using the X-Acto knife, be very careful as you don't want to scratch your laptop, but while you're slightly pressing down the edges, use the X-Acto knife to cut a straight line. This step was really hard, I can't lie, so just be very careful and take your time. The duration of this process depends on what laptop you have. I have a convertible laptop, so that just means the process took longer than I thought because there was just so many nooks and crannies I had to get to. If you have a simpler laptop, then this process will not take long. I absolutely love the concept of just using vinyl cover, like a vinyl sheet. I tried looking for laptop skins for this particular laptop and I couldn't find any, or they just weren't the sort of like pattern that I wanted, so I decided why not just create my own and create a video. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I don't think I mentioned this, but I have the Dell 15 Inspired laptop. It's 1-in-2 laptop, so like it flips over, so I've just flipped it over and then I'm now cutting around the edges because there's still a few bits that are like sticking out that just don't look nice, so I've just gone ahead and cut around that as well. If the vinyl is not sticking the way you want it to stick, make sure you're going over it with the dryer. The heat activates the adhesive on the vinyl, so just continue going back over. It took me like a few goes before like it really stuck down because you really have to press the vinyl down, and it helps using the card as well as well as using the dryer with it. I've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely did. I just love this whole DIY laptop skin idea. I just think it's so innovative and affordable and cheap. Please let me know down in the comment section what other videos you would like to see if you like this DIY and just general video suggestions.